Hello, this is Hychika 100 watt LED work light, which adopts high-quality LED lamp beads. This is the switch button to change the brightness modes. Fast heat dissipation. Adjusted foldable stand. Low-grade mode is 50 watt and 6000 lm, and high-grade mode, 100 watt, 12,000 lm. It is rust-proof and IP65 waterproof. The work light can be applied for indoor and outdoor lighting. Common problems ANS solutions. Firstly, when the work light can't be turned on, please directly contact our support team for help. Secondly, how to adjust the panel tightness. Just rotate one side clockwise and the other side in the opposite direction. Thank you.